With their invaluable knowledge regarding the geotechnical characteristics of the site, geotechnical investigation services play a significant role in the building sector. To determine whether the soil, rock, and groundwater are suitable for construction projects, these investigations involve inspecting and testing them. Due to the fast urbanization and infrastructural development going place in Uttam Nagar, a busy neighborhood in Delhi, geotechnical investigation services are in great demand. There is an increase in residential and commercial development projects in Uttam Nagar, so it is crucial for developers and contractors to have accurate geotechnical information before starting any building work. Geotechnical studies assist in identifying potential dangers that could affect the stability and safety of structures, such as soil instability, groundwater problems, or geological hazards. Engineers and geotechnical specialists can decide on the project's design and foundation needs based on the results of these examinations. Professionals with experience and training in this area, who specialize in geotechnical investigation, provide their services in Uttam Nagar. To compile information on the soil and subsurface conditions, these professionals use a variety of procedures and techniques. They carry out in situ experiments to figure out the soil's carrying capacity, shear strength, and permeability. Examples of these tests include cone penetration tests and standard penetration tests. In order to evaluate the qualities and composition of the soil, they also collect samples for laboratory testing. For creating secure and effective foundations for buildings, bridges, highways, and other structures, geotechnical investigations must yield valuable information. Known for its thorough geotechnical research services in Uttam Nagar, SCON Design is a prominent company in Delhi. Provision of important knowledge regarding the geotechnical characteristics of the site is one of the key roles played by geotechnical investigation services in the construction sector. These investigations entail the inspection and testing of soil, rock, and groundwater to determine their appropriateness for building projects. Geotechnical investigation services are highly sought after in Uttam Nagar, a busy neighborhood in Delhi, as a result of the area's rapid infrastructural development and urbanization. Due to the increase in residential and commercial development projects in Uttam Nagar, it is crucial for developers and contractors to have accurate geotechnical information before beginning any building work. The safety and stability of structures may be affected by potential risks, including soil instability, groundwater problems, or geological dangers. These concerns can be found via geotechnical studies. Engineers and geotechnical specialists can decide on a project